Here I share with you a global vision of the initial work to model this type of object. So the basic element for modeling a helicopter, like many other objects of its kind, is the reference image. So get a good reference image on the 3 views if possible: front, top and side views. You will be very underpaid to direct your tops to the right places. Also work a lot with the mirror modifier so as not to tire yourself of reproducing symmetrical surfaces. Already when we observe the object that we must model, we realize that it has a main axis of symmetry, so the work will have to be done mainly on one side. The purpose of this type of modeling is initially to approximate the volume of the helicopter as much as possible with primitive meshes, to then break it down into all these subsets of objects that constitute it. Without forgetting the time factor, it also plays a very big role when you want to become a pro modeler. You have to be very patient because creating, moving or deleting a vertex or a surface is equivalent to emitting a very precise thought. See, it's a lot of thoughts to organize to obtain a pleasant result, and I assure you it takes time, so if you have to give you the number of real hours with which I arrived at these volumetric approaches, it will discourage you. So be patient.